This week on Tech Tip Tuesday, I'm going to go over how to service your automatic dosing system. Today, I'm in our shop here, and I am servicing our automatic dosing systems that we use on all our maintenance customers. So let me go ahead and show you how we do that. For starters, there's 4 blue tabs on the automatic dosing system, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Squeeze all 4 at the same time. Take the top off and everything inside. So what we have here is our transformer. We have our power cord for the automatic dosing system, and then we've got our keypad, and then we got our storage container that holds our water treatments. There is 4 water treatments we use on this. The first is maintain, there's clean, clear, and protect. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and clean everything up good. So we just got a cleaning spray I spray it down with, and then wipe everything down with a rag. Just trying to get as much dirt and debris, anything that's picked up on it or stuck on it. Not trying to get it spotless, but just get it clean. So in the spring, when we go to put everything back in the ground, it's all clean. It just makes everything neater. And the next thing I do is probably the most important thing we do on these. Every year we change out these replacement pumps. It's not that they go bad, but they're so inexpensive. It's like cheap insurance to make sure this thing's going to stay working all next year. So how you do that is there's 2 tabs on each side. Push them in. That kicks out. There's 2 tubes that pull off. Grab a new automatic dosing system cartridge and we'll install it. There is directions on the inside. I've got that off and I've got the new cartridge. Now there's a shaft here that lines up with the slot on the inside of the cartridge. I don't know if you could see that or not, but it is not lined up, and it needs to be lined up in order for this to snap in. So how I adjust that is I have a square bit screwdriver that I'll turn that with and line it up. When it lines up good, you'll hear it snap into place. And there we go, it snapped in. Then we'll connect these 2 hoses on the bottom. And the next thing we want to do is check this to make sure it works. So I'll get our transformer. I will plug it into our power cord. And we'll give it a little power here. And check, make sure everything's working. I can hear that dosing system working already. How you want to check this for sure is we'll hit that ×2 button until that dosing light lights up and starts blinking like it is. And I'll come back, check the pump. Now if you look closely, I'm not sure if you can see on camera, but that shaft inside that pump is turning and it's also making noise. So I know this is working. So we'll unplug it. I'm going to zip tie these cords up so they're nice and neat. We'll put it back in the dosing system container to keep it stored for the rest of the winter or until we install it in the spring. We'll wrap the power cord up and zip tie that as well. I mean, it's something that doesn't have to be done. We just like to do it, keep it nice, neat, and clean for the spring and organized. All right, put that back in. the container, snap that back on, and I like to label these with the date and what's done on them. Today there was nothing, everything was working properly, so we didn't have to do anything but change the pump on it and clean it. So I just got some white duct tape. I'll go ahead and label it when it was serviced with today's date and what I did to it.
So that is another Tech Tip Tuesday brought to you by Decker's Pondscapes. If you like this sort of thing, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, do whatever you got to do to get notified, because every Tuesday we'll be coming at you with another tip that hopefully will help you with your backyard pond.